Hi y'all, today I'm going to be bringing you another recipe that's a super simple, quick dinner idea. For this, I have 2 chicken breasts, I have some asparagus, I have some Parmesan cheese, I have some basil, some parsley, some oregano, and some minced garlic. And I'll show you what I mean by this. It's so simple. Let's start by preparing our chicken. Alright y'all, so we have our chicken breast. And all we're going to do, now we're doing 2 of these, you could do more. We're going to just take a knife. And we're actually going to kind of thinly slice it, but we're rolling it out. So we have it thinly sliced and rolled out. We're going to do this with both our chicken breasts. Alright y'all, so now that we have our chicken breast filleted out, we're going to move on to our next step. Alright y'all, we're not even going to measure this out, but we got our Parmesan cheese. And we're just going to make a decent layer on it, on both of these. Like I said, we're not even measuring it out, we're just doing how much it takes to make a somewhat decent layer. And we've already trimmed our asparagus to the perfect size to fit in our chicken. Once we have our asparagus laid out, we're just going to sprinkle on some basil. Again, we're not measuring it, just doing enough. Same thing with some parsley. And then just same with some oregano. We're also going to take some of our wet garlic, as much or as little as you would like. Now we've got some butcher's twine, but some toothpicks would work too if that's what you have. We're going to go under our chicken. We're just gonna roll it up. Now, like I said, if you just gotta drive toothpicks through this, get it to stay together, that's fine, that's okay. But it is easier with butcher's twine. Now we've gone ahead and lightly greased our cast iron skillet. We're just gonna go take more of our Parmesan cheese and hide these chicken rolls fairly well in our Parmesan cheese. Now all we gotta do is cover this, throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes until our chicken is done. That time, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so ours cooked for about 50 minutes. All we have left to do is go ahead and serve this up to friends, family, whoever you're serving this for. You can make as many servings or as little servings as you want. As you've seen, we did not do measurements on this. I see that 95% of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you're one of that 95%, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any ideas what you'd like to see on the channel, go ahead, leave a comment down below. But until next time, keep on cooking on.